How to add tags and categories to blog posts in Squarespace. To do that, just head over and choose the blog post that you want to actually add into categories. Just click right here and click on the three dots and then choose in here the settings. Now from in there, it will show you the settings for this particular blog post. We have in here the content, like SERP, and we also have in there the post URL. So what you can do is you can head over right here to your options, and we have in here the tags and categories. Just head over to the tags and then just put in here the tags that you want added. We have self, we have love, we have wisdom, for example. Now once you have added those, you can head over and then go back and then head over to the categories and then add in here the category. So for example, let's put in here self-love. Enter that and then click on this check icon right here. And this particular blog post will be added to that particular category as well. You can click on the save option in order to save all of this. So that's how you add tags and categories to blog posts in Squarespace. Hope we helped.